Hey boys and girls, so today we are working on chapter 5, lesson 10, subtracting decimals. So you should be on page 363. You are doing numbers 3 through 14. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start on number 3. And remember, with subtracting decimals, just like with adding decimals, our really big focus was making sure those decimal points are nice and lined up. You see that in the numbers that we're working with, they're lined up, and then in our answer, it should just drop right down below. So let me go ahead and get my pen. Oh, maybe. Let's see if we can scoot on over there. There we go. I've got my pen. We're going to jump on over to number 3 on page 363. So you'll notice on number 3, we have 29 and 34 hundredths minus 9. 9 doesn't even have a decimal point, so this is already tricky. But we know whether it's represented like that or whether it's represented with a decimal point and 2 zeros behind it, just like with money, it's still the same value. But it's going to make it a lot easier to line up our numbers and to know exactly what we need to do if we put in a 0. This is in your directions over here. You'll hear them say annex a 0 so that both numbers end in the same place value. That's exactly what we're doing. We know that the value doesn't change, so we put a 0 in there so that our numbers line up nicely. Basically, that's what we're doing. Does that make sense? Okay. All right, so I'm going to put a decimal point in there, and then my little zeros. So pretty. Okay. Let's see if I can make this bigger again. That was nice. Oh, no such luck. Okay. 4 minus 0 is 4. Good. 3 minus 0 is 3. Let's bring down our decimal point. Beautiful. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 2 minus nothing is 2. So my answer is 20 and 34 hundredths. Okay, let's do the same thing with number 4. So I notice I don't have any places that need to be filled. On the top and the bottom, they both line up in the tenth spot. So I'm just going to go ahead. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down my decimal point. There we go. 0 minus 0 is 0. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and do one more. Maybe we can even slide this over a little bit. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay. So in this one, we're doing number 5. They even put the dollar signs in to make it even more fun. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. Oh, hello. Wow. Throw in my decimal point. Beautiful. 9 minus 2 is 7. Don't forget your units. What are my units? My dollars. That tells me what it is that we're adding or subtracting. It is the name of the value. Beautiful. $7.32, which is the same as 7 and 32 hundredths. All right, nice work, everyone. This shouldn't be terribly challenging. If this feels not easy breezy, go ahead and send me an email and let's check in. Again, we're on page 363, lesson 10. You are to do numbers 3 through 14. Okay, good luck.